The Chinese recovery is apparently spectacular. If we look at the global economy, we see that the Eurozone is suffering, that most of the global economies are having a very tough year in 2020, and that China stands out as the economy that will not suffer at all. It will provide growth in 2020, even in such a difficult environment. However, there are signs that show us that things are not that impressive. To start with, industrial profits. In December, industrial profits are showing very weak signals yet again. We have seen 2 consecutive months of fall in industrial profits, something that does not add up with a booming economy and with rising activity. We have also seen, for example, that industrial prices and that purchasing prices indices are showing a significant weakness in an environment in which allegedly demand is recovering very aggressively. We are seeing as well that inventories are rising way too much for the current environment. So what we think is that we need to be at least prudent about the recovery of the Chinese economy, and particularly as a bellwether of how other economies are going to recover, because industrial profits, industrial prices, services demand and consumption very, very different in different sectors. We need to pay a lot of attention to that, at least to understand that the recovery in other economies is going to be equally unequal and significantly more slow and more challenging than what we could expect with considering today's expectations, particularly in an environment in which investment banks are talking about a very aggressive increase in profits and growth in 2021.